Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to make some Oud Wood beard oil. Some of you will be aware of oud and what it is. I think most fragrances these days are incorporating some form of oud into their fragrances and then massively upping their prices of their products. Most fragrances don't contain real oud because it's far too expensive and too rare to use, so they are using synthetics like this one, which is Black Agar by Givco. This is one of my favourite oud recreations, and also they use, now this is my number one favourite aroma chemical, and it's called Pretty Oud, and this is by Firmenich. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few drops of Black Agar to my fractionated coconut oil, which is at 20 mils. Fractionated coconut oil, it's somewhat different to normal coconut oil in that it comes in a liquid form and it lasts a lot longer than say jojoba oil, which a lot of people use. I find that it goes off really quickly, so I stick to fractionated coconut oil, and to that I'm going to add 4 drops of Black Agar. Then I'm going to add some Pretty Oud, and I'll add a couple of drops. This is very strong, so I'm only going to add a couple of drops. But it smells, it is probably the best, or one of the best oud creations that I've smelled. And I've definitely smelt it in some of the fragrances on the market today. I'm pretty sure this is actually in Christian Dior's Purple Oud, and possibly even Oud Isfahan. It is a brilliant material. Next I'm going to add cardamom essential oil, which happens to be my favourite essential oil. I'm going to add 3 drops. Then I'm adding some Exaltolide. A couple of drops of that. By the way guys, this is not a formula for Tom Ford Oud Wood. This is inspired by Tom Ford Oud Wood, nothing more. I've already added some linalool. I've added 2 drops of it, so I'm not going to add any more of that. Then I'm going to add ethyl vanillin. I'll go ahead and add a couple of drops of that as well. Then we've got Galaxolide, which is a musk. Don't necessarily need a musk in a beard oil, but I'm going to add it anyway. And then finally I'm adding some Hedione, which will be the replacement of jasmine. And I'll add 3 drops of that as well. Another aroma chemical which I'd like to talk about is ambrosinide. I've added already a few drops of it into the formula. I've added 2 drops of ambrosinide into the formula, which is quite nice. I've never really used ambrosinide before, but I think it gives a really nice lift and it adds a lot to the oud. So there you have it, my Oud Wood beard oil formula. By the way guys, if you can't get your hands on any real oud because it's too expensive, or any of the aroma chemicals which I've used, then you can easily substitute for an essential oil called cypriol. Cypriol is, in its scent profile, smells a lot like oud, and a lot of fragrances these days do actually contain cypriol as opposed to actual oud. So that's one tip I can give you. If you can't get your hands on any of the other ones, there are actually some websites in the UK, such as pellwall.com. He has some really nice oud recreations as well. Another website which I use is plushvolley.com. They do some of the musks and some of the aldehydes that I use. Apart from that, really I tend to use websites like creatingperfume.com to get more of my obscure chemicals. So there you have it, my Oud Wood inspired beard oil, which I'm going to start using today. I think I'll add 2 drops, massage it into my beard and then comb it. And yeah, maybe I'll do an update video how I found it. But thank you for watching, stay safe, and hopefully speak to you soon. Bye.